Hey guys, it's Rob. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in Davinci Resolve. So I'm going to go ahead and drag our background image into the timeline. And this is just a PNG of a Minecraft house. Next, I'm going to drag the green screen footage above the background image on the timeline. And we have some footage of Steve dancing here. But of course we can't see the background, so let's go ahead and fix that. So on the left, go down to where it says Toolbox. If you can't see this, then at the top left, make sure you've selected Effects. Go down to Open Effects, click on that. Next we're going to click the magnifying glass. In the search box, search for key. And then we're going to drag 3D keyer onto the green screen footage. Now, at the bottom left of the preview, we're going to click where there is the transform box usually. We're going to click on the drop down arrow, click on Open Effects Overlay, and then we're going to click on the footage. And as you can see, the green screen disappears. So we can see Steve dancing. However, he does have a slight green outline still. So to fix this, go to Effects tab on the right, and then where it says Despill, drag this bar, and slowly you can see the green outline disappears. And you can adjust this to your lighting and play around with these effects. But that is how you remove a green screen in Davinci Resolve. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.